Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here in Foldy Square. We've begun Tuesday, September 5th, 2023. We're covering the Southern District of New York Courthouse, and crypto appears to be a theme. Now, we were expecting on Friday for Samuel Bankman-Fried to put up or shut up in terms of the defense, the complaints about discovery and vegan meals, etc., in the MDC, because Judge Kaplan had said regarding his trial forthcoming in October that September 1 Friday was pretty much the deadline, soft deadline, to request a pushing back an adjournment of the trial until March. It never came. It wasn't filed. He did file other things. There's a lot of disputes about advice of counsel. He put in some screenshots of signal messages about Robinhood and Deltec, but nothing on any delay. The government, meanwhile, said that they will be using the ads by Larry David, Tom Brady, and Gisele Bündchen as proof. But there is a hard deadline, which is September 7th. That's the drop-dead date for requesting juries for the fourth quarter, and Judge Kaplan will be requesting one for this case, unless he hears otherwise, by the 7th. Meanwhile, a sentencing. Greenwood, Sebastian Greenwood, the number 2 of OneCoin, total fraud. We've, as Inner City Press, have requested the unsealing of his massively over-redacted sentencing submission. The deadline for their response is September 6th. Miles Guo, some filings over the weekend, basically trying to stay the bankruptcy proceedings. Yvette Wang has joined in. The bankruptcy trustee has filed in Connecticut, but not in SDNY. It's a bit strange, but we'll be tracking it down. On the Trump docket, Trump's hope is now the Blasingame case in the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals. He's hoping, I guess, to get a ruling, maybe by the Supreme Court, that immunity attaches. But does it attach in the Trump org trial scheduled here in New York in October? I don't know. We're covering it. In another book, Trump Trial 1, there's also Crypto Creeps. You can check it out. Meanwhile, the United Nations, a totally corrupted organization, sends Antonio Guterres out to Kenya, where he demands a red carpet and has dancers in front of him and says he's trying to work for Africa, but it's all a big joke. UNGA is being skipped by the UK, France, etc. To be continued.